NUVISION lighting. Pair 9004 HB1 bulbs. The NUVISION lighting. Pair 9004 HB1 bulbs are an exceptional lighting solution that will elevate your driving experience. With over 10 years of writing experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that these bulbs offer impressive features and outstanding performance. The LED light source type is undoubtedly a highlight of these bulbs. Light-emitting diodes, LEDs, are known for their efficiency and long lifespan, and the NUVISION lighting pair 9004 HB1 bulbs are no exception. With a wattage of 60 watts, they provide a powerful illumination without draining your vehicle's battery. Furthermore, these bulbs offer a fit type that is vehicle-specific, ensuring a seamless integration into your car's headlights. The 12 volts voltage requirement ensures compatibility with most vehicles on the market. The light color emitted by the NUVISION lighting. Pair 9004 HB1 bulbs is a subtle yet stylish blue hue, adding a touch of sophistication.
It is worth mentioning that these bulbs are sourced from China, a country known for its manufacturing capabilities and expertise in producing automotive components. In conclusion, the NUVISION lighting pair 9004 HB1 bulbs offer an outstanding lighting solution for any vehicle. Their LED light source, compatibility, blue light color, brightness, longevity, and additional features make them a top choice for enhancing your driving experience. With their stylish design and reliable performance, these bulbs are sure to impress.